Is this the best way to lose weight and keep it off?
The best way to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight varies from person to person,
as individual factors such as metabolism, lifestyle, and preferences play a significant role.
However, a combination of sustainable lifestyle changes is generally considered effective for long-term weight management. Here are key components of a successful approach. Balanced diet.
Focus on a balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Portion control is crucial, and it's beneficial to reduce the intake of processed foods, sugary beverages, and high-calorie snacks. Regular physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine.
Aim for a combination of aerobic exercises such as walking, running, or cycling and strength training.
Find activities you enjoy to make it more sustainable.
Behavioral blockages. Identify and address unhealthy eating habits and behaviors. This may involve mindful eating, recognizing emotional triggers for overeating, and developing healthier coping mechanisms.
Hydration. Stay adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water.
Sometimes feelings of hunger can be mistaken for dehydration.
Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep.
Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and lead to weight gain.
Stress management. Find effective ways to manage stress, as it can contribute to overeating.
Techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can be helpful.
Regular monitoring. Keep track of your progress, whether through a food diary, weight tracking, or other methods. This can help you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Gradual changes. Aim for gradual, sustainable changes rather than quick fixes.
Rapid weight loss methods are often not sustainable in the long term and may lead to yo-yo dieting.
Professional guidance. Consult with healthcare professionals, such as a registered dietitian or a fitness trainer, to create a personalized plan based on your individual needs and health status.
Support system. Seek support from friends, family, or a weight loss group. Having a support system can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability. Long-term perspective. Focus on adopting a healthy lifestyle rather than just losing weight.
This mindset shift can contribute to sustained weight management. It's important to note that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person may not work for another. Additionally, underlying medical conditions can influence weight loss, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Sustainable weight management is about creating a lifestyle that promotes overall health and well-being.